Hey guys, I'm still getting some things set up, but I wanted to go ahead and show NVA because it's moving upward, and when I last looked at it, it had a good bit of buy interest. Hi Beans, hi Vix. I went ahead and removed the video capture from the scene so that you guys could see the buy interest over here for NVA. So I noticed that it was moving up about 3 o'clock. It's still got some good buy interest and very little sell interest. Um, well, let me scroll up. Could have just done that. Not very familiar with that with FEED. AMOD is up. Pull that up real quick. Uh, Low buy interest though. A lot of sell. Same with that one. Okay, U. 4 U's. Uh, Maybe a little bit on a little bit of a dip, but still has high buy interest, is moving pretty quickly. Where is my, I'm missing a chart up here. I'm not sure. I haven't tested it yet to see if we got it figured out, whether or not you'll show up in VC. Something that we do need to test so that I can have people in and choose whether or not their voice is heard. But yeah, this one slowing down a little bit, but it might pick back up. I'm just kind of looking at end of the day bull moves, not not bull moves, big moves before close. And we'll probably we might do a paper trade depending on how much time there is. NVA isn't doing it for me for a scalp. NVA, yeah, let me get back to NVA. No, it's kind of slowed down a little bit, but it's they're holding it. They don't seem to want to sell it. People want to buy it. I mean, it's going green now, but um, there is not much sell interest on this one. NVA is a gold, copper, and silver mining company, I believe. I talk about them every day, and I can never remember what their main three minerals are and metals are. This one's kind of come down a little bit. What's NAK doing? Oh, I hit 267. Did you have any shares in NAK beans? I'm all out. Yeah, I have not done any cash trades here in a minute. Actually, I should pull up Thinkorswim while I'm at it. It's 3:30. We got 30 minutes till 4. So I was having a lot of issues with my keyboard yesterday. For a second I thought I was going to have the issue again, but it didn't happen. So that is cool, because that would have really frustrated me. NIK looking to be uneventful. Polar band's tied on the 1 minute, but it isn't indicating anything interesting. Yeah, it already popped off today. Doesn't mean it won't necessarily pop off again, but just going back the last few days, see what it did. I haven't been watching it very closely. I haven't heard any news about NAK besides that they elected a new board member or I don't remember. Okay, let me see. Back to you. That one's kind of slowing down a little. Intel, dipping in the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes are going to be red too. This one I wouldn't get on until this starts to turn green, at least. Oklo is one that I have up on Thinkorswim. So, it says here that Intel shares went up today because there are reports that NVIDIA and Apple were considering using Intel's foundry services for future chip production. I would show you guys, but it's not going to. Suppose I could just pull a web page up for that. So maybe that will happen, maybe it won't. We'll see. What are you looking at, Beans? Nothing, been out of the market for a while, just trying to get back in. I have my mining companies that I like to watch, see what they're doing. I mean, I'm not cash investing right now, so it's just more of a keeping track of them. Hekla's another one that I was kind of interested in. Believe they mine gold. But yeah, these are kind of my three favorites that I like to watch. RR does something on occasion. See what it did today. Um, so I like scalping this one. Um, I don't know if mm, try to scalp it now. It's the end of the day. But like you see where you had a few times where you could have flipped that one. What else do I like to watch for scalps? Zim I like for swings, but I'm sure you've heard me talk about Zim a lot. But they also pay out dividends, so if you get stuck with it, it's not the worst thing. Just depending on how depending on how much it dips on you, I guess. But yeah, it's another one I like to watch. You can scalp this one too. NVDL is one that Denise likes to scalp. She said that in the Discord earlier. What else do I like to keep an eye on? I should just make a scalps list. Things that I like to go through real quick and see what they're doing before I look at my bigger list. It is Tesla doing? That was one that you were interested in trading eventually, right? Or did you um already start? 32, 36 days, 1 month. So almost went up to $500 dollars in around Christmas. And 6 months. 6 months ago it was running about $300. A year ago it was about 200. And prior to that it had a nice high. So I think I would wait on this one. It might come back somewhere near here. But yeah, see 48. Oh, it was higher. I hate it when I do that. Um, it's higher this time, but that's just me. I don't actually trade in Tesla. I just look at it and think about if I were to trade it. See for, yep. I don't recall if I've actually gotten in any trades with this one or not. Just check my notes. This is another one that had my attention for a while. I don't have any recorded. But this is one that I was watching for a little bit. Oh, I actually have not checked on BBAI in a while to see what it is doing. Okay. So this had a few nice scalpable moments in the past few days. I'm holding Tesla long term. Wait, going up. Our RSI cooling off in the 5 minute might be worth a scalp if conditions line up. I'm holding Tesla long term, stacking more and more over time. That's my buy in 300s is still holding. You bought it in the 300s, or that's where you buy it at. Let's just pull up Tesla. TSLA. Like I prefer to buy it about $200 a share or under what it is. Um, they'll probably just wait until it goes there. But I mean, 300 is a good, uh, would be a good buy if it goes back up this high. But you know, just because I want to get it at 200 doesn't mean I would. Do you think it'll go higher than this though? Because the 5 day, it already hit 454. Yes, but my timeline is yours. Oh, okay, so you're just stacking up. I get it. Okay, back to RR. Like I said, this is one that I like to scalp. One day. There's another one. Open. Before I'm just getting distracted. Open's one that I scalp on occasion. Not been moving a whole lot, though. Let's go 3 months. Mm, this 1 month and 5 days. It's 3:52. Market will be closing soon. RR popping a little. Yeah, I'll have to go back to RR. Just wanted to take a peek at open and see what it was doing. This one, the last time I scalped it, I feel like I made like $2 or $3 a share off, or $2 or $3 profit per share on it. So it's only moving 20 cents at the most right there. Anyway, so we'll go back to RR. One day. Let's go to 5 minutes. Alrighty. Yeah, it's hitting 520 now. Or not 520, 502, sorry. Okay, how far up do I think that will go? 2 cents. 503. It could go to 505. Maybe 511 in the next 10 minutes? No, no, it's 4, almost 4. There's no 10 minutes left. Well, actually, well, before I officially say that, let's look 2 minutes and the 1 minute. Hmm. No, it could also move after market. I don't remember if this is one that trades uh extended hours. Some of them don't. We'll just have to see. 'Cause I don't feel like looking it up for the last 3 minutes of the market. Oh, it did hit 505. Yeah. Oh, we do have 3 minutes. Okay. It could possibly hit 510 because there's strength at the top of this candle, but it is a 1 minute candle. Let's look at the 2 minutes. It's got a little it's got this 2 minutes has a longer tail. It might just settle at 505 for RR. That's provided it doesn't trade after market, but it could still, even if it does trade after market, doesn't mean anybody's going to be trading it. Just have to see. What's the bid interest? 16,000, 24,000. 470, 164,000. 506. That's something I think I should do. Start making a note about whether they're an aftermarket um, tradable stock or not. See first move in. We were looking at that earlier. But we've been watching RRs. Oh, hey, Snow. Snow is one that I would expect there to be big moves on um, towards the end of the day. But we were watching RR, so let's go back to that. 7. Okay, so it's still going. It did not break 508. Now, this is why I don't like to be in a trade. I'm not in it, but if I were, I wouldn't be very happy right now because I don't like to be in it past 4 if I got it before 4. Now, if it's an evening trade, that's different. Those have different rules. And I don't do as many of those. But yeah, see, it just, whoop. Now, you could come out okay on this, depending where in this 2 minutes you sell out at. But I would be a little nervous. I've never held RR for a long term. Not a long swing. I have that really zoomed in. So they're holding at 505. And looks like they're holding at 497. Oh, that's annoying. SPY is dipping since it brought it up when I added that chart anyway. Ooh, look at that. Well, that wasn't very long. You can barely see it. I was just about to say, so we got two green candles right here, but then it changed to red, so we'll just have to wait and see what it does. Look at the 2 minutes. It's down. Still. So I'm not really seeing any big buys for this until like 471. It's 30 cents difference. Can't decide whether or not I need that up or down. I don't need to see that part. R isn't doing anything really right now, so let's check, see if anything. Well, I didn't check that one earlier. I can't tell you. AMOD. Did look at this one. It's mm, I mean, it held over $1 end of day. Um, that's one that we looked at. I'd say well, it's gonna probably end right here. Probably. It's gonna end right here. Like, look at it. 10, 10, 10, 100. Now, it might go up tomorrow. I haven't been watching the news on you, 4Us. Okay, guys, what's 419? Things seem to be slowing down. Like, there are maybe some opportunities. But also, you can always check the market later today because sometimes things pick up randomly uh, after hours. So it's always good to just at least peek at it and see what's going on. But anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. We didn't really trade anything today. We just looked at a bunch of stuff. I haven't traded a much. I haven't traded much in the 4 p.m. I do most of my trading in the mornings, but I will probably end up doing one because I always do. I can only sit there and watch things happen for so long. Anyway, before I get too distracted, I will see you guys later.